Hey guys, welcome back. This is CollegeCrypto. In this video, I'm just going to make a 3 coin analysis for today. No news. If you guys want to learn about Robinhood, how they added cryptocurrency, go check out my last video. It's going to be at the end of this video. But let's jump right into Iota. So Iota is trading around 240. Around 250 right now. Back in the 15, back on the 15th, it had this big fall from an average of 360, and it hit support levels at $2. So that's something to keep in mind, that when it did crash, it did find the bottom at $2. So keep that in mind. It found this, it came back up, had a nice pullback. It topped at $3 on the 18th, again $3 on the 20th, so that we're finding some resistance there, for the short term, of course. But now we're hovering around this middle area between 220 and 250. We're sitting right in here, so this coin's going to do two things. It's either going to break this resistance line of the 250 mark, and it's going to test the resistance line of the 260 mark or the 270 mark. If it breaks that, it's going to test somewhere up here around the $3 mark. That's for short term. But if this falls off, it's going to test, I think, the 220 mark. That's where the support line is. As we see, we found support line on the 22nd. We found it on the 23rd and also the 26th. So we found this nice support line here. So if it does hit here, it hopefully will bounce off of this and come rebound back to where it is now. But if it does break this, you could see we could be testing the low of $2 for the past couple of weeks. So that's Iota. Let's jump right into Zcash. So Zcash is currently trading at $475. On the 15th, it was as high as 670. It also found support lines at 430. It also found more support lines at 430. So keep that in mind when you're looking to trade this. That if it does fall to the 430 mark, if it holds that, you could see a rebound like it did here, like it did here. But right now we're sitting in this nice channel. With lows of the 455 mark and high as 500. So we're sitting right in this area right here. So I'm thinking with this, it's gonna push up to resistance at almost exactly like $500. It's gonna find resistance there. If it breaks resistance, we could be testing this channel right here, which is the 530 mark. And also, if this coin, is if it has a pullback, we could see it test the low of I would say right here, because we had multiple support lines at 458, more 457, 456, 460. So right here is a nice support line. So we're just off that support line. So if we hit that, we should rebound. But if we don't, we could be testing these lows that we had on the 16th and the 23rd around the 430 mark. So we have about $40 of down pull that you could see, but we also have about $50 of uptrend in the short run. Let's go to the last coin, which is Siacoin, SC. This one, back on the 15th, it was trading, had an average around 6 cents. Had this fall off, but it did find support at 3 cents. Right now, we are actually right above the support line. So we found support on the 3.5 cent mark. We found support on the 22nd at 3.5 cents. We found support later that day on 3.5 cents. We found it on the 26th, 3.5 cents. So you see this coin, its bottom is 3.5 cents. So it's going to bottom out, rebound. It's going to bottom out, rebound, bottom out, rebound. So right now we're in this just nice little channel right here. that's at the lows. But I don't know, you could say a good thing is that it's at its lows, but also the bad thing that if it does break this 4-cent mark and it does test these and break that, you could see this long trend. If you could put a pencil and you could just draw a straight line like this, and then it could somewhere end up in the 2.5-cent range. So that's something to keep in mind. Yeah, as you see, like if you just draw a straight line, you could see that this could easily come back down here. But if it does find support, which it looks like it has, we could be testing the resistance levels of almost the 5-cent range, up in here with all these candlesticks pointing, on the 18th, about almost 4.5 cents, 4.5, a little above 4.5, almost 5 cents. So we could see a penny move upwards in the short run. In the week we could see a penny move up, but we could also see about a half a penny down, and might even be more if the markets are not doing that well. But this is just a little short video of the 3 today. My next video will be Monday. We're almost close to 100 subs. I'll be doing a giveaway. Once we hit 100 subs, I'm giving away some crypto. Also giving away Tron. And yeah, once we hit 100 subs, I'll make a video doing a random in that. All you got to do is subscribe to my channel. And for future videos, what do you guys want to see me analyze? Just post down in the comments below what you guys want to see. Also like this channel, like the video if you guys like the content I'm giving out. But that's it. College Crypto out.